Best 5 CRM softwares, free versus paid CRM for small businesses. So hello everyone and welcome back into today's video. In this video I am going to be showing you guys how you can pick out the best CRM software that is going to help you in streamlining your business and saving up your time. So let's get started. A good CRM is one of the most important systems that you can have, whether you are just starting out or if you are looking to upgrade. So let's jump right in. Now this list is no particular order, but starting off we have Begin, which is by Zoho CRM. So let's get started with this site, which is Zoho CRM. So Zoho CRM is perfect for small businesses that want a simple and easy to use CRM without all the complicated features that can overwhelm you. It offers essential tools like contact management and many more, for example, deal tracking, workflow automations, and many more, for example, as well as all of the basic sectioning. So pipelines, building your own sales pipelines, customer pipelines, and more. Not only that, they also have workflow, and it really automates your deal tracking, and you can have you can really get started with Zoho CRM very easily. It is really beginner friendly. And if you're already using Zoho apps, Begin integrates seamlessly with them, which is a big plus. And the best part, you can get started with Begin for free. Just tap on to get started, and then you can enter your full name, your email address, your password, and then enter your phone number. Tap on to this icon, I agree to the terms of service and privacy policies, then simply tap on to get started, and then you are good to go. You can get started with Zoho CRM. Now let's move forward to the next one. So the next one is HubSpot. So HubSpot is also a great website for your to make your work automate. You can just go to HubSpots.com, and then you can tap on to get a demo. Also, you can tap on to get started for free. By tapping onto this section, you can simply go and log in using your Google account. You can sign up with Microsoft account, or you can sign up with Apple. If you instead, also you can enter your email address, and then you can verify email very easily, and you can easily get started with HubSpot. And here you can see this CRM software. So okay, let's talk about HubSpot first. You can tap on to continue with Google. You can choose up your Google account, and then you can just go for it very easily. And HubSpot is another great site for your workflow to make your work automate. So that was pretty much it about you can go and you can get started for free on HubSpot also. Now let's talk about the next one, which is Agile CRM. You can go with Agile CRM software. It really helps to manage your customer and buyer, or you can say seller relationship management. You can go to Agile CRM and you can really easily get started, or also you can enter your email. No credit card required to use the free trial on Agile CRM. You can just enter your email right up here, and you can tap on to try for free. So after tapping on to try for free, here you can see the domain section. You can just simply tap on to domain, and you can enter your full name, password, then tap on to I am not a robot and sign up for it. And you can also use Agile CRM for free for a few days. And here you can see what is the dashboard looks like of Agile Fuel. You can check out your details deeply onto Agile Fuel CRM very easily without doing everything manually. Instead of doing everything manually, you can just go with it, and you can use it to make your work easier with the help of Agile CRM's inbuilt AI. So now let's move forward to the next software of our today's video, which is Freshworks CRM. So Freshworks is also a nice and beginner friendly CRM software. Like, it is easier than HubSpot and CRM, so Agile CRM, these two. So this one is also beginner friendly. So for those people who are just starting out, you can just go to Freshworks and you can tap onto this try it for free or try for free option, and then you can enter your addresses, your work email, your phone number, your company name, and you can sign up with email very easily, and you are good to go to use this software. You can use it very easily. This is beginner friendly. You can watch this video. Here you can see their platforms. From here you can check out their AI capabilities. For example, here you can see this AI capabilities. So here you can see that unlocks human potential. You can try it for free. Also, you can get a demo right from here. So you can just go into it onto the fireworks, and then you can just check it out. And the last software of our today's video is Salesforce CRM. So you can use the Salesforce CRM. One of the best CRM software on our today's video is this one. You can use it for free again. So absolutely, you can use free version for a few days. You can just go, you can tap on to try for free, and you can use the free version by entering your informations here. And if you have previously used this one, you can tap onto this login sections right here. You can also check out its pricings from here. So here you can see this offers three type of packages. One is free one, and the rest of two are $100 per month and $25 per month. So this is what it's what our today's videos about. And let me know in the comment section that which CRM software you are going to use and why. Let me know the reasons too. So that was pretty much it about our today's videos. I hope you have got enough knowledge from these videos about CRM tutorials. So every CRM software which I showed you on this video was perfect and best for yourself. I think you can just go and choose the one that choose you the most, like fits you the most. So that's it for today. See you onto another video, and as always, happy exploring. Keep watching our videos, liking our videos, and goodbye.